Good afternoon, children. In the previous class, we learned transportational and depositional work of rivers and landforms created by rivers. Today, we are going to study work of glaciers and landforms. Okay. Open your textbook, page number 31. In region where the temperature are generally below freezing point or below 0 degree, precipitation occur in the form of snowfall. So now children, let us see what is meant by glacier and what is meant by precipitation. Glacier means it is a slowly moving mass or river of ice formed by the accumulation of snow or mountain or near the poles. So in short we can say glacier means it is a slow moving river carried by ice. And at the same time precipitation means any liquid or frozen water that forms in the atmosphere and falls back to the earth in the form of rain, sleet, snow, etc. are called precipitation. Now children, in mountainous region, layers of snow accumulate on the earth's surface due to snowfall. Over a period of time, the layers of snow became very thick and became very heavy. So what happened? The layers of snow start moving along the slope. While it is moving down, the base of the layer or the bottom of the layers start melting. So how it is melting? Due to friction and the pressure from above. Glaciers start moving slowly along the slope because of the pressure and friction. Now, like the river, a glacier also carries out work of erosion, transportation and deposition. Now let us see next topic, erosional work of glacier. Now children, let us see what are the erosional work of glaciers. The velocity or the speed of glacier is very less, but the mass of the ice is more or a erosional material. Hence what happened? The glacier erode its own bank and its bed on a large scale. Now let us see what are the landforms produce erosional work of glaciers. They are cirques, arches, horns, V-shaped valleys, hanging valleys and roche mountains or sheep bike. These are the landforms created due to the erosional work of rivers. Now let us see one by one. A cirque. A cirque is a landform which is created by the erosional work of river. It is a semicircular or oval shape of valley which is formed by glacial erosion. Next one. Arches means it is a narrow ridge of rock which separate two valleys. This is also the result of erosional work of glacier. Next one, a horn. It is a result of the landform when glacier erode three or more arches forming a sharp edged peak, that is called a horn. U-shaped valleys. These are forming due to the erosional work of glacier. They have some characteristics. They have a mountainous glaciation in particular. They also have a U-shape with a steep straight side and flat or rounded bottom. Okay. Next one, hanging valley. A hanging valley is curved by a small glacier and thus the elevation of the valley floor is hanging. Next one is roche mountains or sheep bikes. It is a landform which is created due to the when it is a rock formation created by the passing of a glacier. Okay, these are the landforms which are created by the erosional work of glacier. Next topic, transportation and deposition by glacier. While the glacier moving on steep region, it carries sediments on a large scale. These sediments are called moraines. So children, what is mean by moraines? Moraines means the sediments which is carried by glacier. Depending on the location of the deposition, moraines can be divided into 4 types. Now let us see what are they. First one, ground moraines. Second one, lateral moraine. Third one, medial moraines. And fourth one, terminal moraines. They are classified into 4 depending on the location of the deposition. Okay, you have to observe figure 4.2a of your textbook, page number 32, moraines and their types. Now children, let us see landforms produced due to depositional work of glaciers. They are drumlins, eskers, etc. Now let us see what is meant by drumlins. Drumlins is a landform which is created due to the transportational work of glacier. It is an oval shaped hill largely composed by glacial drift. Next one is eskers. Eskers are ridges of glacial sediments deposited in ice-walled channels. These two are given in your textbook. These are transportational, the result of transportational work of glaciers. Now children, let us see page number 32. Do you know, we already learned the velocity of the glacier is very less. So it is given here, glaciers move at different velocities daily ranging from 1 centimeter to 1 meter. It is the average velocity of a glacier. The Jacobans Glacier in Greenland is one of the fastest moving glaciers in the world. It moves at the rate of 46 meters per day. Now children, let us see, give it a try. Some pictures of the landforms formed by glaciers are given below. Write in the box below the functions because of which they have been formed. Let us see one by one. So what you have to do, in the box, in your textbook, in the box you have to observe the picture, and in the box you have to write the answer. Okay, let us see first one, six and horns. It is a landforms which is created by the erosional work of river. Page number 33, U-shaped valley. It is a erosional work of glacier. Next one, lateral and medial moraines. This is the depositional work of glacier. Next one, drumlins. Drumlins also depositional work of glacier. Next one, Rohe mountains. It is the erosional work of glacier. Hanging valley. Hanging valley also erosional work of glacier. And eskers. Eskers are the depositional work of glacier. Okay, understood children? So answer you have to write in the box. And also you have to complete your assignments. Today we will stop here. In the next class we will study work of the wind and landforms produced due to wind. Okay.